Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So today we're just doing a quick unboxing of this Veru Eternity. It's a mini lipstick shaver. Some specs here. Alright, let's see if I crack this open for you here. So these are meant for ladies, but I myself personally have used this, similar ones to this, because, you know, I don't want to shave every day, and I'll just have some little frizzy hairs, little mustache hairs coming out, whiskers. So I use something similar to this just to get that job, you know, and get it done. And these are really great at doing it. I thought it had batteries in it, but I guess not. It does not. Well, I didn't bring any batteries with me today, but as you can see, this right here would be the LED light. And when you turn it on, just this little head here will spin, and to clean it, you just twist it off and you dust it. You can use one of these brushes that they provide to knock out all the hair, and then you just put it on and twist, and that's it. And this is where you put your AA battery. As you can tell, this is kind of a hard plastic. It has a real nice feel to it. And this is this plastic with a chrome finish on it. Same thing here. The only metal parts is this little fins here where it covers the shaver. But as you see, I like these because, see, this would turn on the LED right here and turn on the shaver. But when you close the lid, it automatically pushes to the off button. Okay. So this is the C602 model. Let's do a quick, let you look at the instructions just in case you want to see it ahead of time. And then I do use it here right above the, you know, for whiskers, and then under the chin. Let's do a quick touch up every day or two. And that's it. Very simple instructions. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. As you can see, this is a very nice, kind of like a coppery gold color. But just make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything you want to add or any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will leave a link below for you. So if you need anything, just let me know. And I'll try to bring more content. Just make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like this. Have a good day.